Good times get done so quick. Good times get done so quick, man. Back to the good morning. I hope you guys are doing good. I am doing too good, man. Never pampered myself so much in a lifetime. So basically just got up, freshened up, and I'm about to check out of this place. Though, just a moment. Though, I never actually thought that I would be pampering myself at such a scale, which is still small, but it's better than what I have been pampered as in. Anyways, before I check out, I would love to show you my crazy room, which made a beautiful, which basically gave me a very comfortable time. I'll show you the property first of all. Then you see that I don't know if the moisture is still hitting it up, but that's basically the row house that they have over here, and it's quite a thing. Let me take you inside. Okay, sorry. So that's the fridge. That's my luggage. There's the TV. This is the washroom. And this is what won my heart the most. Such a big bed, man, and such a comfortable thing. I swear, never. I don't know what happened. Yeah, I enjoyed the stay. अभी थोड़ा late हो गया है निकलने के लिए, so I won't be eating much time over here. Just go have some breakfast. Meet the team that took care of me last evening and gave me some good company as well. And see what the family is gonna say to this, since they are worried that I have been delayed another day. एडवेंचर बहुत हो गया, अभी थोड़ा चिल करने का टाइम आया है. So yes, I'm checking out now. I'll see you at breakfast. This is a restaurant space where I'm at. It's time for some good breakfast. So what Kishan ji, breakfast मिलेगा? Please. Mornings like these. So done with my maroon special breakfast, and now it's time to say goodbye to Palolem beach. Let's make a move, Kevin. You're too lazy now. The Susegard attitude is coming again. Who are you kids? Who are you? What's your name? So finally back to Goa. The only damage to the bike was this, which I'll be taking care of in the evening most probably. And yes, there has to be something that is lost or missed in every trip. So what happened is, while I was coming back, the selfie stick that I have for GoPro, I lost. So I was riding and I felt like something falling down on the way from Palolem, but I did not realize what it was. And when I crossed like 10-15 kilometers from there, there was a breaker that just came, and my bike like jerked, and the camera was like tilted down, and I just put my hand there to pull it up, and it happened to be that the screw for my GoPro thing is what fell down, and it immediately clicked at that moment like, okay, that sounded this. So now the challenge is, I don't know if I will be able to take more road shots. I'm gonna try to look out for a screw which can kind of replace that. For the meantime, I have something at home once I'm back, and I don't really know when I'm coming to Mumbai, so don't feel like it, but don't know what to do. One more sad thing that has happened is my short film wake up call. So basically, I had edited this entire film and kept it on hold for a few things to be completed. Yesterday or day before yesterday, I just opened the file to check if what do I need to complete and how do I go about, kind of processing the entire entering process. And it comes to happen that the whole project has gone crash. So I don't really know how I'm gonna go about this now. It's really sad because I wanted to release this on 28th of May, but जो भी होता है अच्छा होता है ना. Let's hope for that, and I'll get back to work now. The family was really worried where I am at because no network. I did not call them, but gotta do what you gotta do. At least I'm safe. That's what matters.